Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Sceptre monitor no signal. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few things I need to try here to probably solve this issue here. So first is you need to do a basic fix. So first, unplug your monitor from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Now, then you want to plug it back in. This is a standard troubleshooting step and can often resolve signal issues. Now also, you might want to try a different outlet. If the basic fix doesn't work, try plugging your monitor into a different outlet. For example, you might move it to another outlet in another room, like the kitchen, and sometimes the problem could be with the specific outlet rather than the monitor itself. Also, once you've plugged in your monitor into the new outlet, see if it starts, or in this case, start working properly. If it does, then the issue might be related to this original outlet you were using. Now, you want to go ahead and basically return to the original step here. After testing a new outlet, plug your monitor back into your usual setup. Check if it's working as it should now. Sometimes just switching outlet can reset things enough to fix the problem. And also, if moving to a different outlet solves the problem, the original outlet might have been the issue. If you're still having trouble, try testing your monitor with various other outlets to see if the problems persist. This can help confirm if the issue is with the outlet or something else here. Now also, you might want to also check the other wires that you have on your monitor. Like for example, checking HDMI and see if it's actually properly plugged in, or try a different cord if you can. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.